ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯍꯥꯌꯔ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟꯗꯔꯤ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯖꯨꯟꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 4ꯗꯀꯣ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯌꯔ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟꯗꯔꯤ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯠ ꯀꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇꯒꯤ ꯖꯨꯟꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 8ꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁ ꯑꯋꯥꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯂꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯀꯥꯔꯗꯇꯣ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯒꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯌꯔ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟꯗꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯁ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ it is hereby informed to all the concerned principal private candidate that the admission card of the ensuing higher secondary improvement examination may be collected by themselves or by an authorized person from the council office from the 7th June 2019 onwards on all working days during office hour. Thank you.